If A is equal to I minus 3j plus 2k and B is equal to 2I minus j minus 3k, find A cross product B. Now this is not multiplication at all. This is cross product. Okay, there's a difference. So for the dot product, that's basically the you multiplying the i's and the j's and the k's. But in the case of cross product, well, as a matter of fact, let's go to the handbook and see if there's anything that's helpful there. Okay, so there it is on page 31. Cross product here. So by looking at this, it doesn't tell me anything at all. So you just have to understand the rule or not, because here they give us the what they call this again? Yeah, determinant sine theta, and of course here there's no sine theta at all, so you can get confused. So this is one of those things where the handbook doesn't really tell you anything. So you just need to know then, I guess, the rule of finding cross product and the rule of finding dot product. Okay, which is the whole purpose of this video. So basically you just set it up as let's do it, j and k, and put everything underneath. So I have I, that's my 1, separate them. J, I have minus 3. Now they say A cross product B, so you start with A cross product B. If the question was B cross product A, then you would have to start with B, because as you can just see here in the handbook, A cross product B is not necessarily equal to B cross product. There's just minus sign in there somewhere. So I have 2, and for my B I have 2 minus 1 and minus 3. Okay, so all you need to do is just find the I don't want to say the wrong word, but I think it is the determinant of. So you put your I, so A cross product B. So you basically multiply out as if you were to find the first determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So you have I, so you have to cross, this whole line is gone, the whole line is gone, so you're left with minus 3. Let me write it down. So minus 3 minus the 3. Let me put a bracket here, right? Minus 2 times minus 1, so that's my I. Okay, so now you have plus, minus, plus. So your next one is minus. Let me put plus here, minus and plus. Yeah, this is one of those rules where you just need to know it. That's it. Okay, so now my j's, same thing. So wherever j is crossing, you don't multiply those out. Okay, so j is right here, that's the second row, and then the first column is also gone, so you don't worry about that. So here, gone. I wish I could put a cross in it, but otherwise it will be messy. Wait, what did I say? I wish I could put a cross here, but I won't, because it will be messy. That's what I meant. Sorry. But okay, so crossing this, this row is completely gone. Act like it's gone. And of course the first row is always gone. So I have 1 minus 3, 2 and 2. So I have 1 minus 3 minus 2 and 2. Now determinants, they're minus. Is different from this one right here. This one here I'm dealing with. I should have put it in red. Yeah, this plus I minus. Okay, and my k is gonna be a plus. Okay. Okay, so again, first row gone, last row gone. So act like this is not here, and you take the determinant of the remaining two. So I have 1 and minus 1. I'm multiplying. Minus 2 and 3. 2 and minus 3 rather. Okay, so now from here on, I'm expecting a vector. Cross product, you have to get a vector. Dot product is a scalar. So that's the difference really. So, but this is cross product, not multiplication at all. Okay, so now I have 9 plus 2, that's 11. So I have 11i minus 3 minus 4, that's minus 7, and then the minus sign here will be plus 7j, and then I have here minus 1 plus 6, that's a 5, so I have plus 5k. So that's it. That's the final answer. Now let me do dot product using the same example so you could see the difference. Okay, so let me scroll down a little bit. So if I was to put to find the dot product of these two, I would just multiply out. I'll multiply out the whole thing, like the vectors. So I would have a dot b, so that's I so I mean a dot b would be 2 times 1 here, that's 2. 3, I mean minus 3 minus 1, that's plus 3. So your i's and your j's are not involved. I probably shouldn't even put i's in here, but just wanted to show you that the dot here is different than the setups, I guess. So you multiply the coefficients and then you add them. So you multiply the coefficients of i's, you multiply the coefficients of j's, and you multiply the coefficients of k's, and you add them. So here 1 times 2 is 2, minus 3 times minus 1, that's a 3, so plus 3. 2 and 6, that's minus 6, and your answer would be 5 minus 6 is 1. So this is for if you had a dot product. Let me see if the reference, because I barely, for math I don't typically use the reference, because sometimes, yeah, right, yeah, no, not there. Cross product, let me see dot product. Yeah, I was saying that for math typically, there you go, see ax times bx, so you multiply your x's, your i's, you multiply your your j's. So here x is I, and this is j, and this is your k. It doesn't matter really, whatever notation they use, but yeah, so you can see the difference really. Okay. Alright, so try not to mix them up. Whenever you see the cross, doesn't mean it's multiplication. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.